Class. Today I want to discuss about basic mathematics. Some questions about basic mathematics. Next video I will be sharing different concept and different question. So today I just want to discuss about basic mathematics, how to solve different types of questions through some innovative method. That innovative is innovium. So you have to learn something from innovium. So once again, welcome to Innovium Learning. So next, first I just want to share one question, very simple. Students are doing mistake. Let's have number of solution of x minus 2 by 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 2 by 1 minus x. This is one of the algebraical equation. How to solve this equation? So what students usually do, they cancel this term and they are getting x equal to 1. But whenever you will put x equal to 1 in this term, the term which is deleted, the equation will give undefined. If I will put x equal to 1, 2 by 1 minus x will give undefined. That's why we cannot say x equal to 1 is a solution of x equal to 1 will not be a solution. That's why this equation has no solution. This equation has no solution. इस तरह बहुत सारा algebraical equation है, trigonometrical equation है, जहाँ पे बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको कैंसिल करके आंसर निकालते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक है. We should not do that type of mistake. तो ध्यान में रहे इस तरह क्वेश्चन को कैसे किया जाए. अगर आप लोग गलती से इसको कैंसिल कर दिए तो कैंसिल करने के बाद x का वैल्यू जो मिला, इसको अगर ये इक्वेशन में जो इक्वेशन यहाँ पे मेंशन हुआ है यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, that equation will be undefined. That's why x cannot be equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. This is method 1. Dear students, this question also can be done if we take LCM. If we take LCM, it will be x into 1 minus x minus 2 upon 1 minus x equal to 1 minus x minus 2 upon 1 minus x. Here also we cannot cancel this term. If we can cancel this term except x equal to 1. अगर x का वैल्यू 1 होगा तो फिर एक बार ये टर्म जो है वो अनडिफाइंड हो जाएगा, इसलिए वी शुड नॉट कैंसिल दिस. तो अगर इस तरह सॉल्व करेंगे, इसका रूट जो आएगा वो इमेजिनरी रूट आएगा. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रूट्स विल कम? इमेजिनरी. So but the question is to find out number of real solution. Correct? Number of real solution हमको निकालना है. Hence ये जो इक्वेशन है इसका सॉल्यूशन करने के लिए बेहतरीन तरीका मैं जो आपको अभी बताया. तो ये इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? नो सॉल्यूशन. इस तरह बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन हम लोग बाद में मेरा वीडियो में आप लोग देखोगे, और हम लोग जब लाइव क्लासेस करेंगे नेक्स्ट, तब उसमें आपको आ जाएगा और हमारा पैकेज में भी आ जाएगा, आप देख सकते हैं. जो भी चीज़ हम लोग स्टूडेंट को बताएंगे पूरा जीरो लेवल से शुरू करके पूरा उसका टॉप लेवल तक उसको हम लोग हेल्प करेंगे, ताकि ही और सी कैन रीच एट ए गुड कैरियर. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. तो देयर इज ए इनोवेटिव क्वेश्चन. यू सी, नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 3 पावर x प्लस 4 पावर x इक्वल टू 5 पावर x. ये एक algebraical इक्वेशन है. हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस algebraical इक्वेशन? बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको बहुत कसते हैं लेकिन होता नहीं है. कैसे करेंगे? इस तरह ये क्या है, एक एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है. एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, दिस एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, ये भी एक एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, ये भी एक एक्सपोनेंशियल, ये तीनों एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है. हमको ये इक्वेशन को हम क्या करना है, 5 पावर x को इसमें डिवाइड करना है. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 पावर x plus 4 power x upon 5 power x equal to 1 implies that इसको लिख सकते हैं 3/5 पावर x प्लस 4/5 power x equal to 1. These two are also exponential function. Which function? Exponential function. Now we know the graph of exponential function. If this is exponential function graph when a is greater than 1. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is 0, 1. The graph intersect y-axis at 0, 1. This is exponential function when a is more than 1. This graph a power x, this is a less than 1 from 0 to 1. Now you see 3/5 is a fraction lying from 0 to 1. 4/5 is a fraction. It lies from 0 to 1. That's why we can draw this graph like this. This is the graph of 3. This graph is 3/5 power x plus 4/5 power x. This is 0, 2. If I put x equals 0, this will give 1, this will give 1, this is 2. Now we can draw another value that is right side, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 ये 2 से नीचे आएगा. Horizontal line is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 and this exponential function, they are intersecting at one point. That's why there is one solution. That means the number of solution of this equation is 1. Number of solution of this equation is 1. This is a very innovative question. So that's why we are continuing with Innovium learning. So dear students, how to solve this type of equation? Whenever you can extend this equation like 3 power x plus 4 power x plus 5 power x equal to 7 power x. Find the number of solution. There only also you will get one solution. तो इस तरह कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा हम लोग ये मेथड में करेंगे, सबसे बेहतरीन और इजी मेथड. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ कम टू one more very interactive and innovative question to find out the number of solution of bi-quadratic equation. How to find out? You see, ये क्वेश्चन है x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. We have to find out number of solution. As it is a bi-quadratic equation, you can't say there are 4 number of real roots. If there is a bi-quadratic equation, students, the nature of the equations will be all 4 roots can be real, or all 4 roots can be imaginary, or 2 real and 2 imaginary. So कोई भी 4th degree equation है bi-quadratic, immediately you cannot say the number of real solution is 4. No. The types of or the nature of the roots can be all 4 roots can be real, 2 can be real, 2 can be imaginary, or all 4 are imaginary. Then only we'll get a bi-quadratic equation or bi-quadratic polynomial. Now, how to find the number of real solution of this equation? Why the question is number of real solution? This equation may have imaginary roots. This equation may have all roots are imaginary, or 2 real, 2 imaginary, or all 4 are real roots. So let's start solving this question. This question can be solved by, dear students, in 2 methods. So let's do the method 1. Method 1, x power 4 माइनस, यहां से अगर माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे ये हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. इम्प्लाइज दैट दिस इज x4 माइनस ये x माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b square. We can put the formula a square a minus b into a plus b. Now we have got two quadratic equation. We can equate this equal to 0 and this equal to 0. This equation have imaginary roots as discriminant less than 0. So whenever discriminant less than 0, we can say that quadratic equation has imaginary roots. Here, as discriminant is positive, so definitely this quadratic equation has two real roots. Two real roots. So as because this is two real roots, the question was how many number of real roots of this equation. So answer can be, this is method 1. From the very beginning I told this is method 1. Now we can solve this question by using method 2, and the best method, that is innovative. So that's why we are always saying our brand is Innovium Learning. So this question can be solved by graphical method, which is very excellent. You see, method 2, what you can say? Method 2, this question can be written x to the power 4 equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. This is x to the power 4. This one can be written x minus 1 square. Now this is LHS, this is RHS. We can draw these two graphs. So graph 1, this is the graph of x to the power 4, and x minus 1 graph is this one, 0.1. So x to the power 4, this is x minus 1 square. So how many times they are intersecting? 2 times. You see in the graph, how many times they are intersecting? 2 times. That's why how many number of solutions are there? 2 solutions. So number of real roots of this equation is understood. So you can solve this question by this method, or you can solve this question by this method. But don't say it as because this is a bi-quadratic equation, the number of roots is always equal to 4. Wrong. You have to find out the way in which you can find. That innovative method you have to find out. That method you can find in Innovium Learning. Now let's, the final question of today's lecture is a very interesting question on geometry. So let's do that question. 10 coins of unit radius are kept in a equilateral triangle. Find the side length and circumradius of the triangle. Now this is a triangle, 10 circles. They are inscribed inside a triangle of unit radius. We have to find out the side length and circumradius. These circles are unit radius. We can join the center. If this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this total, this is 1. So this will be, you can name as, it is P, this is Q. You can join here. Let's say this is R, this is S. This is equilateral triangle. This angle is 30 degree. Now this is diameter 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So PQ equal to 6, which can be equal to RS. So this is also 6. So this triangle, this is 30 degree. This one is 1 unit. 1. We can apply tan 30 in the triangle PBR. Tan 30 equal to PR by PR. Tan PR is 1 unit, PR is unknown. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, is 1 by BR. So BR equal to root 3. Similarly, in the triangle CQS, this is also root 3 according to same method, similar method. Now total side length BC, total side length BC equal to dr plus rs plus sc, which is root 3 plus 6 plus root 3, which is 6 plus 2 root 3. This is side length of this equilateral triangle. Now we have got side length. Now we have to find out circumradius. If it is a triangle, a circle circumscribes the triangle. Circle circumscribes the triangle. Now, if this is vertex A, B, C, this is circumcenter, let's say O, correct? If this angle is A, this angle is 2A. If this angle is A, this angle is 2A. Now, we can draw perpendicular here. If this one, this length is A, so this will be A by 2, this one is A by 2. This angle is A, OD. Then in this triangle, sine A, we can write A by 2 by BO. That is A by 2 by BO is R. We need circumradius R, which is A by 2 sine A. What is angle A? 30 degree. Angle A is how much? 30 degree. Angle A 30. Side length already we have found here. We can substitute angle A and side length, and we can find the circumradius of the triangle. So this is about the first class on based on basic mathematics, some fundamental concept. In next video I will be giving, and I will give you some qualitative question and energetic concept in our website and our channel. And stay tuned, and everybody kindly subscribe our channel, and you can enjoy your learning process, and you can increase your learning process. So once again, thank you all, and welcome to our innovium learning using innovative methods. Now we have last video, last lecture we have shared, we have already opened our online test, and you can appear that online test only at the rate 199, only at the rate 199. Thank you all.